Hi all. This I can't say anything about this. Everybody likes this, and the movie filmed by this is really great. Do you want to know what this is? This is none other than Disney. Everybody likes Disney, and the movies produced by them. Let it be the 1928 Mickey Mouse or the present day onward. Everything are really great. So I decided to draw drawing tutorials on Disney characters. The movies released by Disney, I'll draw the main characters of the film. So first, let's travel back to 1928. That is when they created their first character, Mickey Mouse. So today we'll be learning how to draw Mickey Mouse. For that you will need a sheet of paper, a pencil, an eraser, and a few black pens to outline their drawing. So let's get started. First, you can draw a circle here. I could just make it a little bit bigger because the face is important. Yes, it's better than that. And now we can draw another circle here and another here. So now for the body, like his face should be at this angle. Let us draw that. You can draw a line right here. Yes, well, the body should be like this. Just draw that. Just now draw a line. And now a curved line, just to be parallel to this, but they are curved. But here we can stop it. We can just follow the same line. Okay. Yes. So now we have it, our body. If you want, you can just make it a little bit thicker. It's okay. The line, you can just make it broader. So this space is good. So now, like approximately here, we can just keep a dot and draw a line towards that point. You can bring it here. It's just rough, so you can just stop here. You can also draw an oval kind of here. From here, as you see, I stopped here and then I discontinued. It's because the hand is going to be situated here. And draw that. Then you can draw a big circle because the hand is going to come here. So it should be like this. So this hand will be bigger and this hand will be quite smaller. And now you can just, it comes here right a little bit away. So it will be a 90-degree kind of angle here. Let's draw that. And then a curved line. Okay, just extend a little bit. And draw another line. Now we can just draw approximately in the center 2 lines for the leg. And over here it should be from here. Just a minute, I'll just from the end line itself. So if you didn't check out my other Disney tutorials, that is, I did on Incredibles 2, do check it out. And then we can draw a nice and big oval for the leg. Okay, I just made too big. I'll just make it smaller. So now let's draw the face. As we draw the line here for reference, from here approximately we can draw a curve. Yes, it's kind of good looking. We just make it a little bit bigger. So I can just erase the outlines because I made too many lines for the circle. You could just make it a one sharp line. This is now good. Let's draw the eyes. So for that, here, draw a line. So this is where you can see a point of intersection, right? This is where the nose is going to be situated. Let's draw the nose, and we can shade it. Above it, we can draw a curved line. It will be like a parallel line, a curved parallel line. So now we can draw the eyes. And then we can draw the eyeball. Yes, so it's good looking now. So for the mouth, so it has a beautiful dimple here. You can draw that, a curved line here. We'll just erase this for no further confusion. And another dimple here. So we can just connect it. And now from here, you can draw the mouth. So yes, it's good looking, the face. You can now modify the ears. Just erase it. So just draw a line here. A circle. Then you can draw a line, like a curved line like this. So it should be as if like as a 3D thing. Similarly here. Yes, so it's good. I could just erase the extra lines so that, let me just make it one single line. Just erase it lightly. Yes, it's good looking. So now we can proceed for the body. Yes. So here, just erase this line. Like come till here, and where the hand here meets, we can draw a curved line. So from which you start here, but it should end here. Draw a nice and curved line. So you can draw the ovals here. First one and the second one. Okay, now it looks as if he's running in a marathon, but later it will be fine. Good, erase this line. So I can just erase the circle. First you can draw a line like this, a curved line. and an outer line to it which is quite thicker. Thicker means the distance between them should be quite bigger. You can now draw the hands. So it should be as if it's folded, so the fingers won't be quite visible. Yes, it's good looking. The 3 lines you can draw. So now it's good. From here, yes, approximately here, draw another line. You can just stop it here because it shouldn't be too small. Let's follow the same steps. The distance should be bigger. And then, yes. So the 3 lines won't be visible here, so we need to draw that. Yes, it's good looking. Here, we can now continue. Similarly, we can draw a line outside it with a greater distance. Yes, now it's good. You can draw a line like this. Now, yes, you can just stop it here. Similarly, you can do the same steps. A curved line here, an outer curved line which is broader. So drawing is done. Oh, wait a minute, we forgot one important part. Guess what? It's the tail. So you can just draw the tail here. So Mickey Mouse drawing is now ready. Do check out the outlining version of it. So our drawing of Mickey Mouse is ready. Do stay tuned for more Disney tutorials. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.